Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your mesh file is FBX or obj and scaled to Roblox units. This prevents size and orientation surprises. Next, import into Studio using MeshPart and pick the correct rig type for jointed models. Once imported, immediately duplicate the asset and place one copy in an originals folder and another in a working folder so you can revert changes without losing the source. This organized start saves time and protects your mesh while you fix issues. Now you fix the mesh structure. Open it in your 3D editor and remove duplicate vertices, non-manifold faces, and stray elements that break collisions or rendering. Recalculate normals and unify winding so lighting behaves predictably. Inconsistent normals cause dark seams. Unwrap UVs to eliminate overlapping islands and assign a dedicated light map channel when using baked lighting. Once done, export with proper export settings, apply transforms. Correct axis. Finish by importing the repaired file into Studio and adjusting MeshPart properties like collision fidelity and can collide to your gameplay needs. Then run play mode and test interactions. Look for gaps, unexpected clipping, or texture stretching. Make sure joints and LOD behave at different distances. Tweak scale or pivot if placement is off. If problems show up, revert to the working copy you saved and iterate. Focus on normals and UVs first, since most rendering and shading faults trace back to those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.